So, ladies and gentlemen, I bought this one. Yes, you saw it all over the internet, so I wanted to be sure what it was all about. So that's why I bought this one too. So I didn't open it yet, so let's get to it. Whoa, look at that. That's tiny, but it's great. It looks great. Awesome. You're looking on the internet, it seems small, it seems tiny, but if you have it in your hands, it's not tiny at all. It looks great. I haven't opened the things over there, but it really looks great, magnificent for the money. I paid 57, excuse me, euros. So it's cheap. It's dirt cheap. You get extra tires with it. You get a little equipment with it, and of course a charger. I think the battery is included. You get some off-road tires here, very grippy, and you get real drift tires. Things look good. So this is the transmitter, 4AA. Let's open it up. So what have we got? A tiny Lipo transmitter, a receiver. Yeah, the servo is 5 wires, and a little motor here. I think this is going to be epic.
It's me. Hello.
Day 2. Back here with the fully charged battery for this one with the GPS on there, so we're going to test how fast it's going. 26 miles an hour. Oh, 26 kilometers an hour. 16 miles an hour. I truly like it. I really do. It's a real nice car. Oh, it's a real nice car. It does the job, you know. It drifts real good. I like it a lot but with drifting. I drove it once with these tires, and I'm not so fan of it because it's not going very fast. You saw 26 kilometers an hour. It stated on the box on 30, but 26, 30, it will do. But drifting is a lot of fun with this car. So maybe we're going to upgrade it. I don't know yet, but in the meantime, we're going to drive it, and it's a lot of fun. So if you want to buy one, I definitely recommend one. Especially if you have little kids, so it's cool. It's very cool. I dig it. So that were my thoughts on this car. So I like it a lot. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. And if you like this content, subscribe. Consider subscribing. If you don't do it, it's your choice. Okay, see you later, man. Bye.